Hey, John.
Hey, Jace, how you doing?
I'm doing awesome, man. Just working here at home, getting ready for SharePoint Fest Seattle.
It's coming up, isn't it?
It is. I am really excited. I saw, they announced who the keynotes were going to be today, and that's really cool. It's going to
I
be
haven't seen it.
Dan Holm and Andrew Connell. But
Oh,
before
boy.
they get to do their keynote, hopefully folks are coming out to see us.
Of course.
We're going to be doing our workshop, everything you want to know about Power BI, but we're afraid to ask.
So we're the warm-up act.
There are worse jobs, man.
There are absolutely. Yeah, it's fun. It's going to be nice running that. I don't know how many times we've run that. Sessions with that name or workshops with that name. Although they're pretty much different every time we run it, aren't they?
Every single one is different because we like to know what the audience is looking for, and we customize the day specifically to whoever is joining us for that session. We've got a lot of great demo content. We actually spend. Out of the full day, we spend less time in PowerPoint, more time in demo, spend a lot of time making sure that people have a great understanding of what they can do when they go back home and start working with Power BI so that they have an opportunity to maximize the time that they spent with us and go back and do a lot at home.
That's the idea. It's called, but we're afraid to ask. So don't be afraid to ask. We love input. I hope anybody who's considering it, Power BI, they might find it a little bit daunting. They might be put off by it. They just don't have time to do with it. Well, just come on out and spend the day with us. We will walk through all of the basic concepts. You don't need to know a thing when you show up. If you do, that's fine. We're going to take you down another road. But if you don't, we're gonna put you in front of different data sources. We got some interesting SharePoint tricks for the SharePoint folks out there, given that this is a SharePoint conference. And drive right into that stuff. So you can come in knowing nothing and go out building reports and dashboards and wowing your audience.
One of the cool things that we ask people is consider bringing your laptop, bringing some of those BI questions that you have, and come and ask us. Because the whole point of this is for you to come and ask the questions. The afraid to ask part, if you don't ask, at the end of the day, that's your fault because we're here to answer those questions. So come on out and join us. Looking forward to seeing you out in Seattle at SharePoint Fest Seattle.
That'll be fun, man. Come on.